Hello my dear friend. All of your friends are once again very welcome to my channel Animals and Nature Zone. We hope you are well and healthy. Be sure to like and subscribe our channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's come to today's topic. Friends, you will remember the fire in the forests of Australia, in which crores of billions of animals were burnt to ashes. This time again nature has targeted the forests of Turkey. Where millions of animals and humans are being burnt to ashes, Turkey is burning. People are constantly posting horrific pictures and videos on social media with the hashtags Turkey is burning and Pray for Turkey regarding the fire of this country famous for tourism. According to social media, forest fires have broken out in 60 places in 30 districts of Turkey. So far 4 people have died due to this terrible wildfire. Thousands of people and tourists have been moved to safer places. The whole Turkish sky is covered with smoke from the forest fire. Firefighters are constantly trying to extinguish the fire at 20 locations in 6 provinces. The area adjacent to the Mediterranean Sea and the southern part of Turkey is more affected by the fire. In the last 24 hours, due to strong winds, the fire spread to 40 more places, which the local people and the administration are trying to extinguish. Agriculture and Forest Minister Bekir Pakdemirli said that it would be foolish to say right now that we have brought the fire under control. But our people and firefighters are facing this calamity with relentless bravery. Wherever he is getting a chance, he is trying to douse the fire or to stop it. The worst fires have spread in the Manavgat and Akashi areas of Antalya province. When the holiday homes and hotels felt threatened by the forest fire on the mountain in the Marmaris area, all of them were evacuated from the tourists. More than 50 people are admitted in hospitals. Dozens of people are leaving their homes and living in the open. More than 25 villages have been evacuated in these 2 areas. From hotels and resorts located on the banks of the mountains at all tourist places, tourists are being transported in boats to safe areas by sea route. Even before this, there was a fire in the forests of Turkey in the summer. Then the Turkish government blamed the Kurdish terrorists behind this fire. At present, this order has been implemented in all the states of Turkey that no person will go towards the forests at this time, because it is in danger of burning, as well as rioters can further inflame the fire in the forests. Many villages have been burned by this fire in Turkey. Cars and cattle of people have been burnt. Many animals are getting burnt. They are being sent to a veterinary hospital or clinic for immediate treatment. Some firefighters are doing first aid to burnt animals on the spot. But the sight is so frightening, seeing it, people's soul is trembling. Manavgat Mayor Sukru Soje, 75 kilometers from the resort city of Antalya, said forest fires have engulfed all sides. The area just towards the sea is safe. The fire has kept its hold till the town center. It is difficult to estimate the damage done in this area at this time. We have never seen such a terrible scene in our life till date. At present, 3 firefighting aircraft, 38 helicopters, 108 firefighting vehicles and more than 4,000 firefighters are engaged to extinguish the fire in Turkey's forests. Turkey's AFAD disaster agency said that all the neighboring states and cities in the grip of the fire have been warned to take precautions. Along with this, an appeal has also been made to stay safe. Some people believe that the fire started from Antalya province itself, because it is very hot here. This place is situated in the middle of mountainous forests and sea beaches. Every year lakhs of domestic and foreign tourists visit this beautiful place. Some environmentalists believe that the reason for this fire can also be high heat. Turkey is constantly falling prey to extreme weather. Just earlier this month, there were flash floods in Rize and Artvin provinces on the banks of the Black Sea, due to which hundreds of houses and public properties have been damaged. The neighboring country of Lebanon has also been affected by the Turkish fire. Here also 25 fire engines and 4 Air Force helicopters are engaged in extinguishing the forest fire. The Lebanese Red Cross has rescued 17 people from wildfires, in addition to treating 30 people, out of which 8 people are admitted in the hospital. 500 acres of pine and oak forests have been destroyed in Lebanon. Of the 63 wildfires in Turkey, 43 are also being claimed to be controlled. But the deadly fire is still burning at 20 places. Efforts are on to extinguish the rest of the fire, but due to strong winds, it is taking time to get success. Leaders and heads of state around the world are ready to help Turkey at this time, also expressing condolences in this disaster. A post has been posted on the social media site Twitter with the name Twitter handle, in which it is being said that drones have been set on fire in the forests of Turkey. One would be surprised to think whose job it is. Friends, how did you like this information? We hope you might have liked this information. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe, like and share to my channel, and also press bell icon. Take care friends. Thank you.